In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 things that no one would ever tell you about starting your own business. Entrepreneurship is not for the weak. Let's get this video started. Number 1, an excellent idea is no guarantee that the business will thrive. Hey, I've done business that failed. I've tried lead making. I've tried selling wares online, selling clothing online, starting a fashion. Hey, the fact that you have this pretty idea all in your head and you already have it all out, and oh, I know when I do this business, when I put it out here, when I post on social media, when I boost it, when I run hard on Instagram, it is not guarantee that the business will thrive. Don't be deceived. Sometimes all these things are theory. Theory is different from practical. By the time you leave that exercise book, right? By the time you leave your book, your notebook that you've written all those ideas, you've left it. When it's time for practical, that's the real world. You now see that, oh, it's white over here, it's red over here. So they are two different things. Number 2, never, look at me again. Never ever leave your 9-to-5 job if you've not started that business by the side. Don't even try it. I know there are some success story of people that just woke up one night, stopped their entrepreneurial their 9-to-5 and ventured into their business and they made it. Things like that happen now. There will still be exceptions to rules, right? But in reality, don't try it. Because if you started your 9-to-5 and you tried building your other side business, building it by the side, looking at it, taking funds from your 9-to-5 and putting into it and trying to balance things up, then gradually you look at it. Is this business even going to thrive? Is it, with all these things I'm putting, with all these formalities I've added, with all these structures, is the business selling? Is there gain? Am I losing? Am I making gain? How much profit do we make in a month? How much can I make in 6 months? When would the profits I'm making from my side business beat the salary I'm earning from my 9-to-5? See these things here, it's not motivational, aspire to perspire to inspire. No. When it comes to reality, these are things that books or these motivational speakers will not tell you. Don't leave your 9-to-5 when you are not sure of the future of your side business. Number 3 that I'm going to say is that find a mentor. Find a mentor. That business you are planning on doing, somebody has done it. Somebody has done it. That's why sometimes when you go into business, they'll ask you, have you done market survey? Because that market survey means go into the market, look at people, competitors, look at the market trend, analyze things, get data, run the analysis and the likes. Find a mentor. Somebody is doing what you are about to venture into. Don't go into things blindfoldedly. You say, okay, you want to start a fashion business, and they're asking you, who are the five competitors in that particular niche you are trying to craft for yourself? And you say, I don't know, it's what God told me, I'm just going to start. Don't try it. Find a mentor. You can find them on social media. You can find them, check for website, Google them. It can be somebody close by you that is currently into that business you are looking into going into. So ensure you have somebody somewhere. Even if you guys are not talking one-on-one, you have their social media handle, you see them, you see what they do, or you've been around them to know how the business runs. Ensure you find a mentor. Number 4, burnout is real. Some days you will cry. Some days you will shout. Some days you will be angry. Some days you ask yourself, are you sure I'm supposed to be doing this business, or I'm just I just don't know what to do and I got this idea. Burnout is real. When you're in 9 to 5 or when you're working for somebody, there's a structure. You wake up in the morning, you go to work, submit reports, talk to customers, do this, do that. But when it is your own business, there's nobody to let you know that this is closing time. You have to close work by 5, or a security personnel to tell you, oh, leave the office. No, you're your own manager. You're the one to tell yourself to stop. And sometimes when you're not meeting that goal, or sometimes you might even meet the goal, but you're unable to even find a balance between your work life and your personal life itself. So burnout can be real. Burnout is real. The last point I believe in is that entrepreneurship is a lonely path, sort of looks like a lonely path. Because sometimes you'll be on that pathway and it looks like there is nobody to fall back and you don't want to fail. There is nobody to fall back on. There is no, sometimes after you do your work, in that last, at the end of the month, I'll get my salary. Yeah, there's no last. So if you don't put in the work, don't expect to get any money. When it's your own business, when it's entrepreneurship, there is nobody that's going to feed you. So I'll be ending this video here. But if you would like this video, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. And additionally, there's a 3-month friend class that will be running. If you want to be bilingual, please do well to either call this number or check the link in the description box. The class will be for 3 months and this is affordable. That's one of the comments we've received from students, that the course is affordable. And this is a good time to be bilingual. Half of the world is bilingual. So why are you not bilingual and you want to go into business? You want to be a business tycoon or a business boss, but just for your social status or for travel or for any other thing you want to do, use language for. It's good to be bilingual. And this French course is going to run for 3 months and you'll be starting from beginners, from the scratch. You'll be speaking from day 1 and you'll be moving from level A0 to level A1 and A2. And don't forget, you also need to put in the work in this. Please do well to call the number on the screen, 09041553223, or you send an email to info@chiomaevo@gmail.com. And I'll see you in the class. Au revoir.